that digital marketing was a form of marketing through which you could advertise to people digitally. Digital marketing leveraged different channels like search engines, websites, social media platforms, emails, and mobile applications. Digital marketing would also show marketers' advertisements to people based on their actions and preferences on the internet, while being less expensive than traditional forms of advertising. Digital marketing types like content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. Content marketing created content like blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies so that he could generate audience interest in the brand's products or services. This was content marketing. Next, this was SEO, or search engine optimization, and Joey could do all of this without spending a single penny. This was possible with the help of PPC, or pay-per-click. However, social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, to advertise the brand's content. That's social media marketing. So send emails to advertise his products or services to potential customers. That is, with email marketing. And finally, with affiliate marketing. Affiliates would promote the brand or product to their audiences for a fee with the help of email signups, registrations, conversions, subscriptions, etc.